When anyone talks about football, the first name that comes to our mind is obviously Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest football players of all time. We all know him because of his game, and he is considered the absolute GOAT of soccer social media. So, given all of his major achievements, it would not be shocking that Ronaldo's net worth is roughly $500 million, making him one of the richest athletes in the world. Millionaires like him better know how to spend their money. In fact, he is always in the spotlight because of his expensive purchases. But nowadays, his Saudi Arabian 17-room suite with a spa, tennis court, and shops of the biggest brands within it is the talk of the town. Yes, you heard that right. He is staying in a lavish suite in Riyadh's Four Seasons Hotel in the Kingdom Tower, one of the tallest buildings in Saudi Arabia. It costs about $250,000 a month. So what makes his new home that much more expensive? And what are the additional expenses inside his home? This multifunctional suite, which includes beautiful dining rooms, a pantry, living rooms, and an executive study, is located in the Four Seasons Hotel in Riyadh and offers panoramic views of Riyadh and its surroundings. The two-story suite, which has a lofty living area, a private office, a dining room, and a media room, is located on the 48th and 50th floors. Although it offers less room than most flats in Britain, where Ronaldo twice resided while playing for Manchester United, its royal suite is nonetheless larger at 2,595 square feet. Amazing, right? So what are the other features that make this house different from others? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss Ronaldo's new home in Saudi Arabia. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. The former Manchester United star just signed for the largely unheralded Al Nassr in the Saudi Pro League with a package worth more than $400 million. After arriving in the Middle East, he stayed in a lavish hotel suite for at least the first part of his time with his new club. According to news reports, Kingdom Tower is one of the tallest buildings in the country. Ronaldo jetted to Saudi Arabia and watched Al Nassr's win over Altai on Friday from the stands, and then returned to his suite at the Four Seasons Hotel, which offers him and his family 17 rooms where the best room sizes cover more than 3,000 square feet. Ronaldo has booked the giant-sized suite in the Kingdom Suite for a month. It is one of the best in the 99-story building and stretches over 2 floors. This hotel is also in the neighborhood of one of the city's most prestigious places, such as Al Muhammadiyah, which is known for its top-end restaurants, or Al Nakhil, which is popular with families due to its international schools. This hotel also offers him tennis courts, massage treatments, and a spa with a sauna and steam room. For him, the best dishes from China, Japan, India, and the Middle East with the freshest ingredients is always available. The hotel's signature dishes, which include sea bass, beef cutlets, and many of the finest lamb and chicken dishes by top chefs for dinner, are always there for the footballer. They are providing in-room dining service for Ronaldo and his family. This hotel also has luxury shops in it with a set of malls that houses expensive brands, such as Louis Vuitton and Zara, where his girlfriend has been spotted shopping. So, what will be the exact price of all these things? We will discuss that next, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. The price of the hotel suite, as well as the adjacent royal suite, cannot be seen on the hotel's website and must be reserved discreetly. The smaller presidential suite, meanwhile, can be reserved online for a startling $330,000 per night. It's estimated that the hotel bill for Ronaldo will exceed $250,000 when he checks out and has found a permanent home for his partner Georgina Rodriguez and their 5 children. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Ronaldo's new luxurious house? Tell us in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.